This portion of the portal is going to be actually most useful to you when you are in the Dominican Republic. Let's take a look at our villa. For the purposes of this example, we're going to pick our beautiful oceanfront villa by the name of Casa Castle. It is also one of our premium villas. At the top, you'll see the specs. For instance, the low season price, you can see that breakfast and lunch is included. All of these right here. You can scroll down, see what staff is available. You can click here to go to the Alacasa website to see even more pictures, the address, the amenities, and you can scroll down to see the map. When Alacasa uploads any document to your account, you will receive an email notifying you of that upload. You can always access the file through the email, or you can come to your dashboard and click on the Share Files widget. Once you click on this widget, you will be directed to the Shared with Me folder, as you can see right here. Within the Shared with Me folder, you'll be able to see things like your vacation plan and itinerary. If you click on the Home button here and you go to Projects, you will be able to see all of the files that you have uploaded in your task list. You just have to click through a couple of folders and you'll see all of these here. Now let's view your vacation plan. When your vacation plan loads, it may not be the size that you like. So you can always come up here and select the appropriate view. If you want it to fit the page, if you want it to be even larger, or you can just keep it at a standard 100%. When you scroll down, you'll be able to see your vacation details, the services that you've chosen, steps to take before you come down to DR, your travel itinerary, a general packing list, and what will happen when it's time to say goodbye. The page that I like to highlight is our social media page. So we ask that you go on all of your social media platforms and tag us as Let's Go Alacasa. And you will also get $50 for each friend or group that books with us. So if you have a group of family members you'd like for them to come down, you would get $50 for that group if they book with us. This allows us to spread the joy and make sure we're giving even more people unforgettable moments in the Dominican Republic. And that's it for your vacation plan. You can download it here if you'd like to. Now we're going to learn how to add your Alacasa portal app. Here we've navigated to the portal.alacasarentals.com homepage in our browser. Right now we are using an iPad. You can also do this on an iPhone or an Android. If you're going to save the Alacasa portal app on your Android, at the bottom of this login screen, you're going to see a button that says install this app. You'll click that, follow the on-screen instructions, and you'll have your app created. It's a little bit different for iOS. For iOS, you're going to go to the share icon. On the iPad, it's in the top right-hand corner, but on your iPhone, it's on the bottom. Once you've clicked that, a pop-up window will open and you'll click Add to Home Screen. I like to rename this so that it's just Alacasa and click Add. Now it's on your home screen. You can click on the app, which will automatically direct you to your login screen. The Alacasa app is a wonderful tool to use before, during, and even after your trip. Before your trip, you can upload any of your passports, flight itinerary, anything you have saved on your phone or iPad. Makes it a lot easier than transferring it to your computer to then upload it. While you're in the Dominican Republic, you can see your restaurant, ask us to make a reservation, see where your villa is located, and have that map open up in one of your phone apps. It makes it really easy, so I hope you enjoy it.